Forget the clinical lights and the high-stress pain of a standard wax. Today, we're transforming this procedure into a restorative ritual. Step 1. The sensory layer. Start with a eucalyptus steam. Mask outside noise with a curated lo-fi or nature sounds playlist. This helps your body begin to relax before the treatment. Next, the prep. Use a gentle sugar scrub to lift hairs and help reduce ingrown hairs. Apply a cooling gel about 20 minutes beforehand for added comfort. The setup. Use a professional-grade hard wax warmer for consistent heat. Position yourself on plush towels with supportive pillows for your back. Now, the technique. Synchronize a deep belly breath with the pull. Immediately apply firm manual pressure to soothe the area. Work in small, controlled sections to keep the experience calm and manageable. Afterwards, restore the skin's barrier with a high-quality post-wax oil. Don't rush back to your routine. Take 5 minutes to relax and reset. You've created a relaxing, at-home spa experience with professional-inspired care.